So the first question is, just a second. Uh, a short put is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9 centimeter if the density of the metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass of the shot put. Okay, let's see what we need to do over here. See, if this type of question will come in exam, then one thing you must notice, if you are not getting that this question is from which concept, here we are supposed to find the surface area or volume or what, then you must notice this one. Can you see this unit? Can you see this unit?
Yes.
Are you understanding it is a unit of volume?
Yes.
So are you getting that we have to find at first maybe the sphere's volume? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now let's read the question. Okay, a short put is a metallic sphere. Okay, we are having a short put, which is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9. If the density of the metal, okay, the metal which is used to make this short put, the density of that metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube, then we have to find the mass of this short put. See, we are having a formula. We have a relation in between density, volume, and mass. Okay, the formula is there. If you have seen this formula in physics, great. If you have not seen so far, this is the formula. Density is equals to mass by volume. Okay. See, either we can use this formula. First, we will be finding the volume. Okay. Then with the help of the volume which we are going to get, we will be able to find, see what is asked, find the mass. We will be able to find the mass. Okay. At first, we will be finding the volume. Then with the help of this formula, you can find the mass. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't know this formula, then also you will be able to solve this question. See carefully, if the density of the metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube, that means for 1 centimeter cube, it is 7.8 gram. For 1 centimeter, it is 7.8 grams. So whatever volume we will be getting for that much centimeter cube, we can find the mass. Yes or no? Yes
Yes.
or okay, so if you don't know this formula, then also you will be able to solve this question by unitary method. For 1 centimeter cube, it is 7.8 gram. So for whatever centimeter cube we'll be getting from here, for that much centimeter cube, we have to find what is the total mass in gram. Got it?
Yes.
First, find the volume of this sphere having radius 4.9. Okay, volume of a sphere will be, please do it, everyone. Formula of the volume for finding the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubed. Okay. Pi value, nothing is mentioned over here. So of course we will be taking pi as a, 22 by 7. Okay. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. Radius is given as a 4.9. So 4.9 cube. This is the volume. If you want, you can calculate it. Or if you want, you can keep it for now as it is. Okay, now we will say for 1 centimeter cube, Okay, the mass is 8 gram. Okay, 1 centimeter cube. The metal is having 8 gram as a mass. So for this much centimeter cube, what? 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. See, if you want, you can do the calculation, or you can do it this way as well. Maybe now when we will multiply with 8, something will get cancelled out. Not sure. Okay. Now for 1 centimeter cube, this is the mass. For this much centimeter cube, the mass will be 8 into this one. Can we say that, everyone? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, now we have to open the bracket. We are bound to do the calculation because this is what we have to find it. So calculation part I am leaving for you. Okay, decimal, in decimal you will be getting the answer. Can I leave it? This much gram will be the answer.
Yes.
Okay, next, a hemispherical bowl has a radius of 3.5 centimeter. What would be the volume of water it contains? This is also very simple. Okay, the volume of the hemispherical ball, okay, that much water only it will be able to contain. If you will find the volume of this bowl, okay, volume of this bowl, so what exactly it represent? Volume means what? Volume means capacity of this bowl to occupy. Okay, maybe liquid or maybe anything. Okay, salt or maybe sand. Okay, volume, if I am saying that volume is 1000 centimeter cube, that means this 1000 is representing the capacity of this bowl. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so the next question, read it and tell me. Can I leave this for you?
Yes.
Everyone, please confirm one by one. Everyone,
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Sarah, Farhan, are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can I leave it?
Ma'am, the previous question for hemisphere bowl, the answer is 126.265.
Previous question, that was not hemisphere. That was a
No,
sphere.
ma'am. Before that.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
Oh, this one. A hemispherical bowl is what's your answer, Sazia?
One short put, ma'am, with the short.
126 point something you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check.
120. Ma'am, not this question. The previous.
Before this one, today we have discussed all. Okay, this one. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. So you have taken, Sazia, 2 by 3 pi r cube.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, not this one, ma'am. Ma'am, the short put one I'm saying.
Okay, the short book, but okay. 126 point something you got. No, Sasya, please check the calculation. Okay, 8 into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7, and then 4.9 cube is there. That means 4.9 into 4.9 into 4.9. Okay, let me check whether I have written the data properly or not. Wait. You are getting 126 point something. No, here one thing. It was 7.8 gram per meter. Okay, by mistake I have just taken this 8. It will be 7.8. Everyone, are you getting it?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, this was 7.8, not just 8. Okay, while scrolling here and there, I have written just 8. Okay, my bad. It will be just, it will not be just 8, it will be 7.8. Okay, 7.8. Okay, then, yes, I think Sazia, now you'll be getting the proper answer. Okay, when you'll be taking 7.8 over here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, let's proceed this question. The diameter of a moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon? Okay, let's see. The diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of earth. Okay, moon's diameter is 1/4 the earth diameter. If you are saying the diameter, see, the diameter of moon is dependent on earth. Okay, diameter of earth. That means you need to assume earth's diameter at first. Okay, you need to assume earth's diameter. If you are saying diameter of earth, that is x, then diameter of moon will be 1/4 of this x. That means x by 4. Getting it? Getting it, everyone? Therefore,
And
radius,
can you once again,
yeah. Yes, Azia, what you said?
and can I explain it once again?
Read the question. It is written over here that the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Okay, diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. That means I was telling that diameter of moon is dependent on diameter of earth. That's why at first I am assuming that, let's say the diameter of earth is x, then only we will be able to say therefore diameter of moon will be 1/4 of x, that is x by 4. Getting it?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now radius, both of them like Earth's radius and the moon's radius. So we know the diameter in both the cases, even if that's our assumption. Okay, the radius will be x by 2 over here for Earth, and radius over here will be x by 4 by 2. Anyone, can you tell me x by 4 by 2 will be what? If we will divide x by 4 by 2, what we will be getting? Anyone? Yes. x
Ma'am,
by, yeah,
x by 2.
नो, x/4 को अगर हमने 2 से डिवाइड किया, if we are dividing x/4 by 2, see what are we going to get? This 2 reciprocal will be 1/2, yes or no? And it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be x/8. Everyone, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be x/8. If you are getting confused, please note it down. I'll rub it. Wait. Uh, you have to note it down. Okay, I'm not able to shift it towards that side. Okay, let me try one more time. No. Okay, please note it. Okay, I wanted to shift it in the corner, but it's fine. Okay, note it. Going to rub it. From where are we getting x/8? You should know. Okay, because every time from now onward you will be getting such fraction. Okay, and you should know how to deal with that. Now, here, let's read the next part of the question. What exactly we have to find over here? Okay, so if you will read minutely the next part of the fraction, what fraction of the volume of Earth is the volume of Moon? What fraction of the volume of Earth is the volume of Moon? That means we understood that we have to find the fraction of volume of Earth to volume of Moon. Are you getting it? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's find. You can find volume of Earth by volume of Moon, or you can find volume of Moon by volume of Earth. Your wish. Okay. If you are getting confused, don't worry. I'm coming to the question part again. I'm telling you we can find volume of Earth by volume of Moon or volume of Moon by volume of Earth. I'm finding volume of Earth by volume of Moon. So for Earth, the volume formula, it's spherical in shape, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so what is the radius of Earth? Now only we have written the radius as a x/2. So x/2 whole cube by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now only we got x/8 as a radius of the moon cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi gone. Okay, and I told you just now you should be comfortable with this type of simplification. So numerator will be getting x cube by 8 and denominator will be getting x cube by 8 cube we will be getting, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And again, I'm going to show you what to do when you are getting such scenario. X cube by 8 divided with x cube by 8 cube we were having. Okay, that means x cube by 8 into 8 cube by x cube. Are you getting it?
Yes,
X cube gone, 1818 gone, 8 square will be left. That means 8, 8, 10, 64. We are getting 64. Or you can say we are getting 64 by 1. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I found volume of Earth by volume of Moon, that is 64 by 1. If you will find volume of Moon by volume of Earth in the same question, you will be getting 1 by 64. Okay, anyway, you can find the ratio because let's get back to the question. This ratio we don't have to find. Okay, we have to find what fraction of the volume of Earth is the volume of Moon. See, this is means is equals to, this is means is equals to what fraction of the volume of Earth is equals to the volume of Moon. volume of earth, whatever you are having, that is bigger than the volume of moon. We know in real life also that moon is smaller than earth, right? Right?
Yes,
We,
ma'am.
okay, so what fractional part of earth's volume? Okay, suppose I am having 2000 rupees and you are having 5 rupees. Okay, you are like one of the student from here just having 5 rupees and I am having 2000 rupees. So my amounts, what fraction we will do? We will divide 2000 by which number? What fractional part? Okay, that will be equals to 5. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so what fraction of volume of earth is equals to the volume of moon? So basically we have to keep the volume of moon on one side. Okay, what fraction of earth and all we are not sure, but basically we need to keep the volume of moon on one side of equals to. Okay, from this ratio whatever we have got, the volume of moon I want to keep on one side, just separately. So I will do crisscross multiplication. That's why I was telling you that you can find ratio anyway. Okay, crisscross multiplication, I'll do like that. This denominator will go to that side, will get multiplied with this volume of the earth. And this 64 into volume of moon. What we want to do here, we want to keep volume of moon on one side. Isolated. Isolation means if I, during the era of COVID, you have heard this terminology that the person need to isolate. That means keeping themselves in one room or one place, okay, where nobody will be there. Okay, so we want to isolate this volume of moon. We have isolated it in one side of the equals to, remaining everything will be there on the other side. Okay, 1 by 64 into volume of earth. That means volume of moon is nothing but 1 by 64th of volume of earth. Getting it? This is our final answer. What fraction we will do of earth's volume, then 1 by 64th we will do, then we will be getting the volume of the moon. That's what is asked in the question. Is it getting clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, even if you would have found the ratio like this, volume of moon by volume of earth, like this, you would have found the ratio, you would have got 1 by 64. And from here in your mind, if you are getting what exactly is asked in the question, that volume of moon is what? So 1 by 64 into volume of earth. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how we'll be doing the question. Here fraction is not asked. Okay. You can again read the question. Here it says the diameter of a moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Of course we know moon is smaller than earth. Okay. Diameter is 1/4 of the earth diameter. What fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon? Okay, that means volume of moon will be equals to which fractional part of volume of earth? Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. And this is question number 9, right?
Yeah, this is question number 9. Anyone, please read the question and tell me what you are thinking about it. Okay, first read it and tell me.
Ma'am, is the question saying that there are 27 iron spheres and then it has radius r and surface area is s, and it is melted to form a new sphere with a surface area s.
As does, right? This one we'll be calling as dash. Okay, dash. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay, everyone, if you have already read the question, let me explain you. There are 27 iron sphere of radius is r over here. Okay, the radius is r and surface area is s. Now we are just melting all the 27 and we are just converting it to a big sphere. And this time we don't know what is the radius, but we know the surface area is s dash. We have to find the new radius r dash in terms of maybe r, maybe s dash. Okay, we want to find r dash, where r dash will be anything having in terms of r or s dash. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
Because these three things are given in the question. So whenever we have such scenario, we use the concept of volume, that if 24 spheres has been melted and getting converted in a big sphere, that means volume of 27 spheres, volume of all 27 spheres added together will be equals to the volume of the new sphere. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will not be comparing the surface area, but yeah, we can compare the volume like this. That volume of all of them added together will be equals to the volume of the big new sphere. That means previously, if I will write the volume formula over here only, previously volume formula, it since all were just sphere, so 27 is sphere we were having into 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is mentioned in the question as well, so I am using that small letter r only. Okay, that was only given as the radius of the smaller spheres, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is equals to volume of the big sphere, that means 4 by 3 pi r cube. That means in the obtained part for new sphere, r dash is mentioned. R dash is mentioned. We will pronounce it as r dash. Okay. This one is we will be calling it from now dash, and everybody will understand what does that mean. Okay, so r dash is there. Where we are having r dash? See the question. See carefully the question. Find r dash of new sphere. That means find radius of the new sphere. So let's continue. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled out. I was telling you we will be finding r dash. Okay?
Ma'am, the 27 r cube is equals to r dash cube.
Yes, r dash cube. 27 r cube is equals to r dash cube. That means r dash is equals to what? Who will say? R dash will be what? Will it be 3R? See, here I can write 3R whole cube. Okay, 27 means 3 cube. R cube is already there. So 3R together we can write whole cube. And that side R cube is there. Now both sides same power. Both sides same power. That means we can compare the bases. I'm not cancelling the power. I'm comparing the bases. Why? Because the power is same. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
R dash is equals to 3R. Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone having any doubt over here? Okay, we also have to find the, now we got the relation between R and R dash. Okay, we also have to find the ratio of S and S dash. S is the surface area of each teeny tiny sphere. Okay, 27 solid spheres, each of radius R and surface areas. So each sphere, okay, this we were having 27, each one was having radius R and surface area S, and we have to find the fraction, the ratio between S and S dash. That means surface area is surface area of smaller sphere over surface area of big sphere. That is only S, that is only S dash will be equals to, let's see what are we going to have. So here only I am writing, here only I am writing it will be equals to, surface area formula is 4 pi r square, and here also 4 pi, but we will not r dash square. Okay, in terms of r only. Okay, let's write r dash square. Okay, 4 pi gone. So basically we are having r square by r dash square, but actual question doesn't contain r dash. See in the given part, see in the given part r dash is not given. This r is mentioned in the actual original question, s is mentioned and s dash is mentioned. We can have any from this three. Okay, r dash we cannot keep the answer in terms of r dash because that is also the part of the question. Okay, whatever is given from now onward, okay, when you will go in class uh, 10, class 11, class 12, you will be getting, we will again and again we will be telling you that whatever is given in the question, that x is this, y is that, our answer should be containing that only, nothing extra. Okay, because that is given in the question. If in any of the question I will write that diameter of a sphere is L, find the volume. That means volume will be in terms of L. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, because L is given in the actual question. Okay, whatever is given in the question, our answer must be containing that. Okay, hence here S by S dash, whenever it is asking, we will replace this R dash by 3R, which we have found already. Okay, we know R dash is 3R, so we will be writing at the place of R dash, we can write 3R, and that's complete square. Here it is getting cancelled out, but even if in any of the question R, one of the R will be still as it is, it's fine because that was given in the question. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So here, if you will just replace this r dash with 3r, you'll be getting r square by 9 r square, and your ratio will come out as a 1 is 1 by 9. Means s by s dash is nothing but 1 by 9. Again, I'm repeating, here you are getting 1 by 9, but in future you will be getting such question where even if one of the R is reflecting in the answer part, that is fine. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is how we'll be doing it. Let me take the next question. Okay, this one we'll be doing. Okay, here the question says that a dome is of a building is in the form of hemisphere. Basically, this type of structure you must have seen on the top of the building, right? Right?
Ma'am.
Okay, this time this is in the shape of hemisphere. Okay, this time this is in the shape of hemisphere, like this. Okay, from inside it was whitewash. So from the inside it was, we are whitewashing it. Okay, we are painting it. Okay, at the cost of this, total cost for whitewashing the inside part is coming out as a this one. Okay, if the cost of whitewashing is 20 rupees 20 per square meter, we have to find the inside surface area of the dome. So are you understanding if I'm telling you that we are having a bowl and you have to paint the inside part? Basically, you are painting the surface of this hemisphere, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, surface area, you are painting it. Okay, whatever be the surface area, that much, that meter
Ma'am,
is
should
what
we
you are.
divide the total cost of painting by per square meter painting?
Exactly. Okay, suppose S is the surface area of this portion which you have painted with white color. Okay, suppose surface area is S meter. Is as S meter square. Okay, you can understand it this way as well, that S meter square, okay, for whitewashing, S meter square, the cost is whatever is the cost. What was the cost? 494989.60, right? S meter square we are whitewashing at the price of C. S meter square we are whitewashing at the price of rupees 20 per meter square. And the total cost became 4989.60, right? And from here we'll be getting the surface area. Everyone, are you getting it?
Ma'am, is the surface area 249.48?
49.14?
249.48
Yeah.
surface.
Yes, Asya. Yes, everyone, rest of the student, are you getting it? Okay, suppose you have painted S meter square and 1 meter square cost is 1 meter square cost is rupees 20. Okay, rupees 20. So S meter square cost will be S into 20. And that is only given in the question that total amount is 4989.60. So we can say S into 20 is equals to 4989.60. And from there easily we are getting the value of S. Everyone, is it clear? Farhan, Sarah, who else is there? Is it clear? Irshad, you got it right?
Yes.
Yes, rest of the student. Sarah, are you getting it, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Farhan, okay, as value you will be getting when you will divide 4989.60 by 20. And we also have to find the volume of the air inside the dome. Volume formula of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Do we know r? No. But we do know S value. Okay, with the help of that S value which we have found in the part 1. Okay, suppose for example, S is 100. That means 2 pi r square. That is 100. That means from here we will be able to find the value of r, and that r we need to use in the second part. See, this is just an example I am giving over here. Okay. Yes, everyone, are you getting with the help of, yes, Sazia, what you said the S value?
249.48.
249 point.
48.
Okay, let me check. We were having 4989.60. We are dividing it by 20. Okay, let's divide it. Proper long division method, let's divide it. 22 times 40. 80. Okay, to 9 times. Yeah, 249.48. This is our S meter square. Okay. Now I am telling you from with the help of S value, you can find R. That means you can compare it. Hemisphere we are talking about. So be careful. 2 pi R square is equals to 249.48. Okay. From here we'll be getting R square is equals to C2 pi value. You can substitute 22 by 7 over here. And from here you will be able to find the R value. Okay, the R which you are getting from here, that R you need to use for the second part while finding the volume of sphere. Okay, please don't put the value of pi. Okay, we will try finding R in terms of pi only. Okay, let's keep pi as it is, because in volume formula also we are having 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so basically let me show you what exactly will be our r. See, 24948 by 100 I am writing for now. Okay, 2 will come in the denominator, pi will come in the denominator. Yes or no? That is r square. Okay, to 1 times 2, to 2 times 4, to 4 times 8. Okay, to 7 times 14, to 4 times 8. By 100, please keep as it is. Okay, because square root we will do, then it will help us. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And you can check 12474, is it a perfect square number or not? Okay, you have to check, and the r value by in denominator directly by 10 will come and root pi will come. Okay, for now let me check whether this will help or not. Just a moment, otherwise I will tell you to take the pi value as a 22 by 7. Let me check whether if we will put the denominator root pi and that's whole cube, you will end up getting confused. Okay, better you take the pi value. Better you take the pi value, otherwise root and then cube, you will end up getting confused. You take the pi value 22 by 7, find the r properly and then put it over there. Got it?